Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the symptoms of a bad power steering pump. A power steering pump is a part of a car's power steering system that eases steering by providing hydraulic pressure to assist the driver in turning the wheels. Imagine trying to turn a heavy object without any help. It would be difficult and require a lot of physical effort. However, with a hydraulic jack, you could lift the object, reducing the amount of effort needed to move it. Similarly, the power steering pump uses hydraulic pressure to reduce the amount of effort needed to turn the wheels, making it easier for the driver to control the car. The power steering pump is essential as it makes driving safer and more comfortable, especially in situations where the driver needs to make quick or sharp turns. So, what are the dangers of a bad power steering pump? Leaks. A damaged power steering pump can cause fluid leaks, leading to low fluid levels and potential damage to other components. Reduced control. A malfunctioning power steering pump can reduce the driver's control of the vehicle, potentially leading to accidents. Loss of power steering. In severe cases, a bad power steering pump can completely fail, resulting in a loss of power steering assistance and making it extremely difficult to turn the steering wheel. Now, what are the common symptoms to look out for? Difficulty turning the steering wheel. The steering wheel feels hard to turn, especially at low speeds. Jerky or loose steering. The steering wheel may feel jerky or loose, indicating that the pump isn't providing consistent pressure. Steering wheel vibration. A bad pump can cause the steering wheel to vibrate or shake, especially at higher speeds. To sum up, here's a quick tip on how to fix the issue. Fixing a bad power steering pump typically requires replacing the pump, a complex process that needs a professional mechanic to diagnose and fix to ensure everything is done correctly and safely. Thanks for watching.